Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. Think twice before you speak, because your words and influence will plant the seed of either success or failure in the mind of another. When defeat comes, accept it as a signal that your plans are not sound. Rebuild those plans and set sail once more toward your coveted goal. There are no limitations to the mind except those we acknowledge. Edison failed 10,000 times before he made the electric light. Do not be discouraged if you fail a few times. Cherish your visions and your dreams, as they are the children of your soul, the blueprints of your ultimate achievements. Don't wait. The time will never be just right. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. If you must speak ill of another, do not speak it. Write it in the sand near the water's edge. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. Every adversity, every failure, every heartache carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Opportunity often comes disguised in the form of misfortune or temporary defeat. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others to succeed. Desire is the starting point of all achievements, not a hope, not a wish, but a keen pulsating desire which transcends everything. More gold has been mined from the thoughts of men than has been taken from the earth. Most great people have attained their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Any idea, plan, or purpose may be placed in the mind through repetition of thought. You can start right where you stand and apply the habit of going the extra mile by rendering more service and better service than you are now being paid for. The most interesting thing about a postage stamp is the persistence with which it sticks to its job. Reduce your plan to writing. The moment you complete this, you will have definitely given concrete form to the intangible desire. The majority of men meet with failure because of their lack of persistence in creating new plans to take the place of those which fail. When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess superhuman powers to achieve. The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. Great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice and is never the result of selfishness. It takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. There is one quality which one must possess to win, and that is the definiteness of purpose, the knowledge of what one wants, and a burning desire to possess it. Procrastination is the bad habit of putting off until the day after tomorrow what should have been done the day before yesterday. You might well remember that nothing can bring you success but yourself. All the breaks you need in life wait within your imagination. Imagination is the workshop of your mind, capable of turning mind energy into accomplishment and wealth. Create a definite plan for carrying out your desire and begin at once, whether you're ready or not, to put this plan into action. Man alone has the power to transform his thoughts into physical reality. Man alone can dream and makes his dream come true. Wise men, when in doubt whether to speak or to keep quiet, give themselves the benefit of the doubt and remain silent. Every person who wins in any undertaking must be willing to cut all sources of retreat only by doing. So, can one be sure of maintaining that state of mind? Known as a burning desire to win, essential to success. Big pay and little responsibility are circumstances seldom found together. Fears are nothing more than that state of mind.